Hey my friends, what's going on? It's your boy Gator on a beautiful day. In this video today, I'm going to show you a strategy on how you can actually make money with Instagram using a simple strategy of growing a page and then monetize it on a daily basis. That means every day it becomes a ATM that you can take out cash out of it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump into the computer and my phone. I'm going to show you me doing it on my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps me and it helps the algorithm to show my videos to more people. But on this channel, what I usually do is show you stuff that I'm currently doing. So I show you proof, how it works, and how we are able to do it. Then you can go out there and test it for yourself, see if it's something that works for you. Okay, I was able to make this money that you see here using Instagram, but it's on a day-to-day basis. Once you build the traffic, you are good to go. So let's jump into the computer, show you the strategy, and see if it's something that you would be interested in to do. And drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from. Drop a comment down below. I'd like to know you a little bit more. So let's jump into doing it now. Guys, we are now in my computer. In this video, we're just gonna free flow. Usually I'd have a little bit of presentation, PowerPoints and stuff, but we're just free flow in this video, and you'll see how it happens. Okay, so let's move on to Instagram. First thing you're gonna need to make this happen now, if you have an Instagram profile, I highly recommend building what's called a niche page. So you have to figure out which niche that you're gonna be in. So for this, I have multiple Instagram in multiple different niches, but I'm gonna use this page because I've done this exactly on this page yesterday. So I wanna show you me doing it live. I have plenty of other pages that I could show you, but I'm doing it on this page. So let me show you exactly what you're gonna be doing. Then we'll break down how you could do the same thing, okay? So first thing you can see, this page got 112,000 followers. This is all for free. And it didn't start with 112,000. I started with 0. So if you want to build a page like this, you could do it. You can start with 0. There's a strategy behind it. We'll talk about the strategy just in a little bit. But let's talk about how you make money with Instagram once you build the traffic and you build a page. So if I come on this page here, Instagram has this ability called the swipe up once you get to 10,000 people. Okay, so I'm going to click on this round over here. It's going to get me to the Instagram story. So as you can see, 15 hours ago, I posted this story, and the story says, look, this amazing Trident chandelier. But at the bottom, you can see there's this lady that's saying swipe up. Those are different things Instagram put that you could put swipe up. There's people that's telling you what to do. This is a call to action. So people that's on this page now that's gonna see this, I'm giving them a call to action for them to swipe up in order for them to buy this item that I'm showing them inside of the story. As you can see, the story goes through, it just shows them different modification of the item. So if they swipe up now, which I'm gonna try to swipe up, guess what happened? Once you swipe up now, it takes them to buy the item. Now just think about it. If you're on Instagram, you have 10,000 people, 100,000, 112,000 people in the case of this page that I can send every day. I'm not gonna send 112,000, but every day I can send an amount of those people. If today I send them to buy this thing here, right? This thing here, right? It's $140 for this thing. $140, which you make a commission. In this case, it's 10% commission on this website. So that means if I sell about 10 of those, that would be about $140 in commissions from all those people on the page. Let's say yesterday they didn't buy this or they don't like this. Guess what? Today I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna say, hey, maybe they might like this. This is $18 or this is $35. So I'm gonna click on this and I'm gonna grab a link, an affiliate link to this. I'm gonna do the same thing, put it on the page, and it's just rinse and repeat. That means every day you can make money. It's like an ATM, really. You can just go and print money every single day. The only thing, you just don't know how much you're gonna print for the day. Because you can go in today, you make 300 bucks. And tomorrow you make like $20, you know, because you don't know who's gonna buy. Sometime on this page, there's people that have events going on, they have wedding, and then I send them to buy something. They ended up buying for like $1,000, $2,000 for their wedding that's coming up. Then it's like, boom, that one person makes me $200 commissions. And then you have another person that buy for another $500. Then that's another $50 commissions. So it's all add up, and it all depends on what part of the year, when people are buying, specifically when it's time, in this case, when it's time there's event. and stuff like that, a lot more people buy. So let's break down on how you could do that for yourself. So this is some of the payments you could see over here. This is the website that I'm using here. I already got paid $3,400, and you can see those are the clicks that's coming in. This is all from the page, 101, 109. So every day I'm sending people to swipe up on the page and make those sales as an affiliate. So let's break down what you're gonna need, okay? So obviously you're gonna need to build a page. Let me give you the formula for the page. If you wanna build a page like this one, okay, whatever niche that you're in, if you're into fitness, if you're into motivation, if you're into whatever niche, you're gonna need to do 3 posts every single day. Here, if you look at this post was made yesterday on this page. Yesterday, this post was made 2 days ago. It's because my page has grown so much now, I don't need to do 3 posts a day. But in the beginning, when you're trying to grow it, you want to do 3 posts a day so that you can grow these posts, grow these page. So first thing, you got to find a niche. So let's say you're going to go into the diet and exercise niche, okay? Diet and exercise. So every day, I'm going to need to find 3 posts in diet and exercise that's going to be appealing to my audience. Now you might say, Cater, well, I don't cook every single day at my house. I don't have 3 meals that I can show. That's the cool part about the strategy. I'm gonna go to Instagram and let's go and do #diet. I don't know, maybe I should have done keto diet. That's too generic. So let's do keto diet. Okay, so you can see if I click on keto diet, I do a search. There's so many meals. Look at that. I don't know how to do keto, but literally, if I build a page right now into keto diet, I could get all this food, and someone that's watching this might think like I'm a god at keto because I'm giving them the recipe, I'm giving them the best food. But all I'm doing really is sharing what's already on the internet and then give credit back to the person that made it. So there's plenty of apps that you could use that are called reposters, right? You use those apps, you share those pictures on your page, giving credit to the person that did it. So let's say this one, for example, you could see this one has how many likes on it? How many people that likes this? Let's see, I'm gonna scroll down. Okay, it doesn't show me how many people likes it, but obviously a bunch. It just show me who likes it here, but it doesn't really show me how many likes it. This is for me to share it if I wanted to share it. But either way, you could see this person, they even share the recipe. So this is a recipe I could share, like literally, and give credit back to a keto life plan. I'll just put, you can have an app that would literally copy this and give them credit back, and then you start growing your page. Now, the key is if you're gonna start from the beginning, you gotta do 3 a day. This is where a lot of people, they get discouraged, they start doing it, and then they quit. Well, if you do 3 a days, it's gonna start picking up in the beginning. You're not gonna see much traction, but after a week of doing it, 2 weeks now, it's gonna start picking up and traction will start happening. Remember, the goal is not the pictures. Who cares about the pictures? Who cares about this thing? Yes, your audience do, but what I'm trying to show you is how to monetize your audience, how to make money with Instagram. Your goal is to grow the audience so that it could be the size of my audience, 10,000 people, 10,000 people minimum, because that will allow you to swipe up, then get to 100,000. So I could take out all the pictures that's on this page right now. Who cares? I could take all the pictures out, but if I still have 112,000 people, I can still do a swipe up and send them to buy something. Somebody's gonna buy. It's the holiday. How many people is gonna buy gifts? How many people is gonna buy stuff for the kids? All I have to do now is go find the gifts, find the stuff, and tell the people to swipe up. Go check them out. Find this TV, find this deal, tell them to go swipe up. And that's the power of having traffic. So to build that page, remember, 3 posts a day. The next thing you're gonna have to do, make sure of hashtags. You see earlier when I went and looked for that picture, there's a bunch of hashtags here at the bottom. Hashtag keto living, hashtag keto life, hashtag keto love. Now your niche might be different. You might be into cake. Your hashtag might be best cake, tap cake, 25 cake, tap 25 cakes. Your hashtags will be different for your niche. But the key is once you find the tab driven hashtags, you will see other people in your niche already use them. Find the top pictures that are driving traffic. Copy their hashtags. I mean, I can show you how to go use tools and do research. I'm making it easy for you. Copy their hashtags. Model what's already working. Instead of trying to reinvent the wheel yourself, trying to figure out what's the best, model what's already working. That's what I do. It's one of the best way to get traffic and make money. Okay, so then your page is gonna start being picked up by Instagram. Whenever someone put keto living, boom, your post will come up. Whenever someone put DIY, in my case, boom, or wedding DIY, boom, my post comes up. Then start to attract more people on the page. All right, so my goal, your first goal, is to hit 10,000. So do it until you get to 10,000. Why 10,000? Because in 10,000 you'll be able to drive the traffic away from Instagram, which is what you want to do in order for you to make money. If you just post stuff, nice pictures, like I could post all those nice pictures, all those things, I'm not making money because Instagram doesn't pay you, right? Instagram doesn't pay me to post content. They just pay me to keep attention on the platform. Well, they don't even pay you. They just give you a bunch of likes and share and stuff so they can sell ads. You gotta be smart. You gotta have those people. In order for you to make money, you're gonna send the traffic away to an affiliate product, an affiliate offer, something that's going to make you money. All right, once you get that, the third step, so I'm giving you 3 steps you can follow. Third step, go sign up for affiliate program in your niche. So for example, if I was into the diet keto, I'll find affiliate program for keto diet. Boom. Just do a YouTube search here. There you go. You have a bunch of blogs, 14 best keto affiliate program. Click on that blog and then sign up for those affiliate places. So there you go. This will tell me I can sign up as an affiliate for this keto program, Clarity. I can sign up for Super Fat. I can sign up for Real Keto. Just do a Google search. Very simple, very easy, right? Ketogenic girl, boom. I sign up for the program. And remember, once you have the traffic, you don't have to attach yourself to these offers. You're just testing them to see whatever converts. If it converts, that's what matters to you. You keep sending it to your traffic and you keep making money every day, which is an easy way to make $100 to $200 a day once you build a page to 10,000 plus on Instagram. So let me know if you enjoyed this video. Do you have any questions? Drop it down below. I have a course called The Long-Term Business where I show you how to build not just Instagram. I show you how to build multiple streams of income from Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all of it all at the same time. You create that mumbo jumbo, then you have 200 from Instagram, 500 from YouTube, 300 from Facebook, 400, and now you're not letting the social platform use you. You using them. They paying you. Versus us just going on those platforms and scrolling and seeing ads. Those ads, they make those platform money. So if you want to make money, you can use the strategy yourself. Anyway, let me know what you think. That's it.